Hey, it's Alex from RDP Arena. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete cookies from your RDP browser to protect your privacy. Cookies are mainly used by websites to track your browsing habits and gather data for advertising. If your browser has too many cookies, it can affect your online privacy and slow down your RDP browser. That's why it's important to delete them periodically. So, let's get started and walk through the steps to clear cookies from your RDP browser. First, log into your RDP and open your preferred browser. In our case, we're using Chrome. Click the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner and select the Settings option from the menu. This will open a new tab with all the settings you can customize. In the Settings tab, look on the left side panel and click on the Privacy and Security section. Now, click on the Third-party cookies option on the right-hand side. Scroll down a bit and select the See All Site Data and Permissions option. This will take you to a window where you can view all the cookies stored by Chrome. If you want to delete specific cookies, click the trash can icon next to the cookie, and then click on the Delete button. To delete all cookies, click the Delete All Data button, and then click on Delete to confirm. It's that simple. If you're using Firefox on your RDP, follow these steps. Open your Firefox browser. Click on the icon with three horizontal lines in the top right section and select the Settings option. Now, click on the Privacy and Security option on the left-hand side. Scroll down in the Privacy and Security section until you find Cookies and Site Data. Here, you'll see a button that says Manage Data. Click on this button to see a list of all the websites that have stored cookies on your Firefox browser. To delete cookies from specific sites, find the site in the list, select it, and then click the Remove Selected button. If you want to remove all cookies, just click Remove All. After making your selections, click Save Changes. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected cookies. Click Clear Now to confirm. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.